thank you so much for letting me use your bathroom. By the way, have you ever thought about installing a bidet? It is so worth it, trust me. I can actually send you the link of the one I bought if you want. Oh, you don't have to do that, I'm good. And purchased. It should be here tomorrow. Call me if you need help installing it, okay? Alright guys, it was fun catching up, but I really gotta go. I've had a long day and I need to pour myself a glass of wine when I get home. Ooh, I feel that. Me too, girl. And you know what makes me feel good after a long day? Getting a spray from my bidet. Why did you invite her again? Hi! Hi! Thanks again so much for inviting me over, by the way. Of course! Thanks for coming! By the way, do you want to come use my bidet? Oh, no, I'm fine. Come on, the bathroom's this way. I'll show you how to use it. Oh, no, I don't even need to go to the bathroom. Okay, she's forcing me. Seriously, I thought it was clean until I got a bidet. Game changer. That's great, ma'am. Now are you gonna order or? And they're so cheap too. All it takes is $30 to elevate your bathroom game to the next level. Why don't I give you some more time to decide? How's it going in there? Did you use the bidet yet? Not yet. Aw, come on, don't be shy. Just turn the nozzle to the left, okay? Okay. Oh my god, okay, let me make it stop. Oh, sorry. I meant turn it to the right. I make that mistake sometimes too. So, what'd you think? I mean, it worked after I sprayed your wall and the floor and your mirror and my pants. Yeah, but I bet you feel nice and fresh down there, don't you? I am so getting her one for Christmas. She'll love it. Hi, this is Amelia. How can I assist you today? I was just at your salon, and my experience with your employee, Sarah, was hands down the worst customer service I have ever experienced in my entire life. You mean she hasn't quit yet? Oh, thank God. I thought for sure she's gonna walk out by now. Guess she's too poor to quit. Well, maybe you should think about letting her go, because she is bringing the quality of your salon way down. Let her go? She's literally the only employee I have right now, and if I let her go, that means I have to work. Lord knows I don't want to have to do that. I don't think you're understanding how terrible of an employee she is. I went in today and asked for ginger hair, and do you know what she gave me? What? Ginger hair. You mean she gave you exactly what you asked for? Oh my God, you're right. She's terrible. Exactly. And as a valuable paying customer, I expect to be treated with a little more respect. Yeah, I'll have a very strict talk with her tomorrow and get this all sorted out for you. Oh, I don't want you to just talk to her. I would only feel comfortable returning to your salon if she was let go. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Excuse me? How many times a year do you come to our salon? Wait, let me guess. You're one of those every 6 months kind of gals, aren't you? 5.5, thank you very much. Okay, so that means you're coming to the salon 2 times a year, maybe 3 if you have a special event. And something tells me you're one of those people that refuse to pay over $50, which is why you're acting like she messed up your hair so you can get it for free, correct? And seeing as how you go months without going to our salon, that means you're constantly salon hopping so that nobody can recognize you and pick up on your scheme. Am I right? Well, I mean, so if you're only coming to the salon 2, maybe 3 times a year, and you're constantly pulling out the customer is always right card so you can get your hair done for free, which ends up costing us money, how exactly are you a valuable customer again? Like I said, she's not going anywhere. She punched me in the face and lit my car on fire. Kinda sounds like a you problem. Anyways, I gotta go, so if you wanna keep complaining, call corporate. Bye! Oh! This is stupid. Calm down, Dollar Tree Barbie, it's not that bad. Maybe not for you, Ronald McDonald. I thought this wig looked nice on me. Oh God, she's here. Well, look at that, new employees. Just what I was hoping to see. Hi, welcome. Now I am here because I have this coupon for a free makeover from your CEO and I was told I could get whatever I want. Yes, of course. Now I don't want much. I just want a trim, a deep conditioning treatment, and a balayage. No problem. And then I also want my eyebrows done as well as my upper lip waxed. Sure thing. And then for the balayage, I want it to be like platinum. I'm talking as white as possible. Oh, and I'm gonna need extensions as well, and I want them to go to at least my butt. Ma'am, we don't do extensions here. Your CEO said whatever whatever I want. Oh yeah? Well, that should be no problem, ma'am. No problem? We don't even have extensions in the shop. Don't worry about that. Just get started and I'll go get some clip-ins. Wait, you're gonna make me do her hair? Look, I know she's been a pain in the ass, but corporate said they're gonna comp you for the whole service and this is a big ticket. All you have to do is make sure she leaves happy. Yeah, like that's possible. Either way, you're doing it. So ma'am, why don't you go have a seat with Clara over here and she's gonna get started on you while I go get those extensions you want, okay? Thank you. Yeah, thanks, Regina George. All right, let's get started. Are we done yet? This is taking forever. Well, if you didn't demand to get every service we offer, and even ones we don't, you would have been out of here a lot sooner. Whatever, just hurry it up. I've got places to go. Like where? Back to Bitchville? What was that? Oh, nothing. Oh, sounds like my manager's back with those extensions. Excuse me while I go get those real quick. There you are. Sorry, I wasn't about to pay hundreds of dollars for extensions, so I had to wait until the clerk wasn't looking and then steal them. But anyways, here they are. Just slap them in and curl her hair so she doesn't notice they aren't blended. Whatever. By the way, I just want to double check. Corporate's still gonna pay me for all this work, right? Oh, maybe. Maybe? You're telling me I'm doing all this work for a maybe? Well, if you want the truth, it's a no, but I was just trying to sugarcoat it. Are you serious? I've been working on her for 6 hours straight, which means I haven't been able to take any other clients. So basically, I'm doing a full day shift with no pay? Oh, that's why you're doing it and not me. All right, you're done. Excuse me? What about my extensions? Here, put them in yourself. Oh, I'm done. By the way, your total's gonna be $900 today. Did you already forget what I told you? Your CEO gave me a coupon to get whatever service I want for free, and that includes extensions. Right, of course, silly me. Can I see the coupon so I can ring it up real quick? Here, thank you. Darn, looks like the coupon doesn't work anymore. That means it's gonna be $900. I don't know who you think you are, but I'm not paying you a cent. Then I guess you aren't leaving with any hair. Not if I get your hair first. It's you! Sure is. Are you seriously pretending to be somebody else just so that they would hire you again after they fired you? Nope, because they never fired me. But you know what? I'm firing you as a client. I don't care what corporate says, I am kicking you out of the salon and you are never allowed to come back. You can't do that. And if you do, I'll call corporate and get you fired. Oh, honey, you already tried that. And look at where it got you. Right back in my chair. Here. Your employee attacked me. No, she attacked me. You both stop this right now or I'm gonna call the police. Police, freeze! Oh my God, my voice has some serious range. It's her, officer. She's the one that stole the extensions from my shop. Oh shit, Sarah, you're on your own. I gotta go. Seriously? Ma'am, stop right there. This is outrageous. I'm gonna sue you, this company, and everybody in this, Here. Oh. Clearly, I've been using this wrong all along. Hey, guess what? What? It's PMDD Awareness Month. What the heck is PMDD? Premenstrual dysphoric disorder. It's when your brain has an abnormal reaction to the hormone changes that occur during a menstrual cycle, and it causes irritability, anxiety, depression. Oh, so it's PMS. No, PMDD is much more severe than PMS. It is extremely debilitating and brings down quality of life. That sounds awful. How would I know if I have it or not? Is there like a test or something I can take? No, so if you suspect that you have it, the best thing to do is to start tracking your symptoms for a few months. Typically, those with PMDD start to feel symptoms 1 to 2 weeks before their period starts, and then symptoms start to go away as their period starts. Well, is there a cure for it? There isn't, but there are treatment options to help manage symptoms. Well, what can I do if I don't have PMDD, but I want to help? check out iapmd.org. You can use the hashtags PMD Awareness Month 2023 or Spark Change PMD this month. They also have a Teal Tuesday fundraiser going on this month. So every Tuesday, wear the color teal or just post something else with the color teal and then hashtag it PAM23 Teal Tuesdays. You can also donate, purchase something from the shop, or just repost this video to help get the word out. Honestly, it's all about just spreading the word and getting people familiar with this disorder. And if you do want to learn more about PMDD, check out iapmd.org. They are a great resource for PMDD. Is this seriously what you call ginger? Because if so, you need to get a new job. My hair has never looked this terrible in my entire life. I want to speak to your manager. Like I said, she's currently not here, but here's her card. You can reach her at the number listed there. Oh, I'm gonna call her, so you better start packing up your things, because I'm gonna make sure you get fired. Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't keep a straight face anymore. You're hilarious. I don't think you should be laughing when you're about to lose your job. Ma'am, you could tell my manager that I punched you in the face and lit your car on fire, and it wouldn't matter. Because I'm not getting fired. Oh, yes, you are. They're going to have another staff member over here to take over your shift before it's even lunchtime. What other staff? Martha just quit. Christina just had surgery. And Catherine is pretending that her grandmother died for the 7th time so that she can take a trip to the Bahamas. That means I'm the only staff member available right now, and if I'm not working, they can't even open the shop, so I'm not going anywhere. You really think you're that important? They're just gonna hire somebody new. They hired somebody new last week. She clocked out for lunch and never came back. It's been 2 years since they've been able to hire somebody new and actually keep them on. And you know who that person was? Me. So if you think for 1 second they're gonna get rid of me when we've been severely understaffed the entire time I've worked here, you're setting yourself up for a big disappointment. It's PMDD Awareness Month. So PMDD stands for Premenstrual Dysphoric Disorder. And what that is the brain having an abnormal reaction to the hormone changes that occur during a menstrual cycle. This leads to depression, anxiety, feelings of hopelessness, extreme mood swings, and even thoughts of taking your own life. These symptoms usually start about a week or two before your period and end as you start your period. There is no cure, and there also is no blood test or anything you can take to see if you have it. But what you can do is track your symptoms for a few months and see if you notice a pattern. If you notice that you are experiencing these symptoms 1 to 2 weeks before your period and at the end after your period starts, take what you've tracked to your doctor and ask them about PMDD. And if you want to learn more about this disorder, visit iapmd.org. Thank you for calling Salon Corporations. How can I help you today? Transfer me to whoever is in charge. Now. Yes, ma'am. Bitch. Hello, this is the CEO of Salon Corporations. What can I do for you? I just got off the phone with a manager from one of your locations and she was extremely unprofessional. I am just sickened, not only by how awful the employee treated me, but also the manager who should have properly handled the situation instead of insulting a well-paying customer. I am so sorry you had to experience that. Here at Salon Corporations, it is our #1 priority to deliver the most excellent customer service. And we take that very seriously. I would love to get some more information from you so I can handle this situation properly. Which manager did you speak to? Her name is Amelia, and she's the manager of the location on 42nd Avenue. And personally, I don't feel comfortable returning to that salon until both of them are fired. Do you mind if I put you on a brief hold real quick? I just would like to pull up Amelia's file. Of course, take your time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. God, I hate people. Same, but what happened? Another customer complaining. Like, seriously, if you don't like it, just go to a different salon. Right? And they always want to call us, as if we care. Anyways, the customer wants both Amelia and the employee fired, so should we just fire them so we don't have to deal with this? And get rid of a manager who's severely underpaid and doesn't even realize it? Absolutely not. Do you know how hard it'll be to hire somebody else who is stupid enough to work for that little pay? Good point. What about the employee though? We're not firing her either. The location that she's at is currently our most understaffed location out of all of them, and she's currently working doubles without even realizing that we aren't even paying her overtime. So why ruin a good thing? All right, but what are we gonna tell the client? Just tell her we fired them. It's what she wants to hear. You don't think she'll notice that they aren't fired? Even if she does, so what? She'll just call us again and complain, and we can just give her a free coupon. All right. Yes, hello, ma'am. Yes, thank you so much for waiting. So I just had a look at Amelia's file, and it seems there have been some behavioral problems going on with her for a while now. Not surprised. And I want to assure you that we are going to handle this accordingly and have Amelia terminated by the end of the day. Thank you so much for taking this seriously. This is exactly the type of customer service I like to see. No, thank you for bringing this to our attention. It's customers like you that help keep our company afloat. Thank